Hi beautiful, it's me, P. And the other day I posted a picture of my sock curl results and I had a handful of people asking for a tutorial. So that's what I'm gonna do today. My hair is about 95% dry right now. I would recommend doing this hairstyle on dry or close to dry hair. I wouldn't do it on wet hair. After I towel dried my hair, I put in this Marc Anthony Repair Bond leave-in treatment and also this L'Oreal Glycolic Gloss leave-in serum. So that's what I have in my hair right now. This is the length of my hair, so relatively short. And this is the texture of my hair, kind of wavy naturally. I just really brushed it out well. So I'm just gonna brush my hair out one more time. And actually when I did this the first time, I had finished work at midnight. I came home and I just wanted to try it out. I hadn't even brushed my hair. I didn't have any products in my hair. It was dry and it turned out really beautifully. So I don't think you have to be so fussy about the way that you do this. But basically the tools you're gonna need are 2 little scrunchies, a claw clip, and a pair of socks that are clean. These are like knee-high socks. I found that this was a nice length to work with. So basically, I have a little side part, which I feel works best for me. And just with my finger, I'm going to start making like a little crisscross part down the back so that we have 2 pigtails, basically. You do not have to be specific with this. Literally, that's what we're working with. And I'm gonna section one of the pigtails out just to get it out of the way. The reason why I do the crisscross part in the back is so that when I'm sleeping, my hair doesn't obviously like set with that distinct part, and then when I comb it out, it might be a little more tricky to kind of conceal that, where if it's crisscrossy, it'll all just fall very nicely. So we are gonna take the toe side of our sock, and I'm just gonna place it on the top of my head with like a little bit of my front bang showing, and I'm gonna clip this, not strategically at all, but basically like onto the other side, so that it's sitting there. It's kind of loose, but it's secure enough that it'll hold it for what we need it to do. I'm just taking small sections, like 1 inch from the front, and I'm bringing it to the back like this, over the sock and under. And then I'm gonna take another like 1 inch section from the back. I'm gonna combine it with that piece that I took from the front, and I'm going to grab it and pull it forward. And then in that same section of hair, I'm gonna grab another 1 inch section from the back. All of that is together, and I'm going to flip it around the sock again, and holding it with the other hand, I'm gonna grab another little section from the back, bring it together with that main section, like this, bring it under, and literally just repeat that. And you can smooth it out how you see fit. Again, I was like half asleep when I did this, and it turned out really good. So the tighter you wrap it around the sock, the tighter the curl, essentially. So I'm just gonna keep on doing that and speed through this, and yeah, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so now we've gotten to the bottom, everything has been wrapped around, and we have our section of hair here, and basically we're just going to keep twisting this around the sock like that until we get to the end here. And I'm gonna take my scrunchie and just secure this hair at the bottom. Try to lay it as flat as you possibly can, do you know what I mean? And make it so that the scrunchie doesn't all bunch up in one spot. Try to kind of like spread it out just so that it's secure, but it's not gonna cause any weird like kinks in the hair. Okay, so that's what we're working with. It's not like super tight, but it's secure. And then I just folded my sock up twice and then took the little hair in and folded it over like that. And then you can take this out. And yeah, again, it's like, it's secure, but you don't want to be bopping around too much because it is still kind of loose in there. So yeah, repeat on this side. Okay, so the curls are all in. Look so cute. And yeah, so the last thing that I do is I spray with some, this is Pantene Natural Waves Texturizing Sea Salt Spray, and just a little spritz of that. I didn't put any hairspray in my hair when I took it down the other day out of the sock curls, and it stayed all day, all night. I did an 8-hour shift at work. Like, it stayed put. So, and this isn't really strong hold. I've used this before, so I think it truly is just this method of setting the hair in place. But yeah, so now we're just going to go to sleep, have a little beauty sleep, do a little prayer, thank God for all of our blessings, and then we're gonna wake up and we're gonna have gorgeous, beautiful, curly, wavy hair. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you have any questions or if you try this out. Thanks for watching. Bye.